So you didn't win the lottery? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. But did you make a wish list just in case? Bruce Smith from F&M Trust is here to cheer us up about not being a lottery winner and explain why those wish lists are really a great idea. So you're here to tell us that we didn't win the lottery,
Yeah,
but
we're
it's
all
actually a good thing.
It's a good thing. The good news is you're not going to be one of the 70% of the lottery winners that go broke. But you did have the opportunity to have this ticket in your hand and
Yes.
say, what if, or I would. And you come up with a lot of things that you want to do to pay off the mortgage, secure your retirement. You could pay off credit cards, send
Go
your
on a
kids
great
out-
vacation.
Great vacation, buy the company that you work for. I heard a lot of them. Worker productivity last week was probably down 50%.
Now, how does this benefit you, though,
Well,
since we didn't win?
When we work with clients and we try to talk to them about goals and objectives, and when you're thinking about that ticket and you ask that what if question, what I would do with this, it starts the foundation of putting together a financial plan. So you can look at those type of items that you wanted to do with that money if you got. You get back to reality and you set up a financial plan. You have these desires, these wishes, these goals. How can you achieve them, even if you're not a winner of the lottery?
So it's sort of a self-examination of things that you would like to do, things that you owe on, and how to strategically take care of it.
That's exactly right. And any good financial plan, any investment plan you put together, you have to start out with some goals and objectives, and that is playing the what if scenario.
And I guess some people may be thinking, well, with the stock market, I mean, it's almost been like a roller coaster, so what do you do?
Yeah, it's been a rough start to 2016 with everything from the China. We have interest rates that are moving up a little bit. We have Iran now in the picture, North Korea with a hydrogen bomb. We've had a 7-year bull market. There's a lot of noise out there, and we're down 7% already at the start of the year. So when you look at that, yes, there's some concerns out there, but I think if any good investor, there's ways you can approach that.
So you're saying you shouldn't panic. I saw your full screen
Yep.
there, said don't panic, think long term, and what advice can you give to people who are going to invest in the stock market?
And you hit it right on the nail. The first thing is not to panic. Don't take the headlines so personal. You have to keep long term. I know that's hard to do when you see stocks going down, but if you look at your asset allocation, stocks to bonds, and then within those sectors, stocks and bonds, is how you diversify your stocks and your bonds. And I think if you do that, if you have quality holdings, if you have a good mutual fund manager or a good stock company, you'll be fine over the long term.
Okay, and where is F&M Trust located?
My office is on Camp Hill, and we have, if any lottery winners are out there, but I did buy tickets for you and your staff here for the Wednesday drawing.
Oh, perfect.
The only caveat is if you win, you got to bring it to F&M Trust. So good luck in the lottery.
Okay, great. Thanks. Some great advice.
You're
Thanks so
welcome.
much.